Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on status for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to turn on this mark on know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on my information authorizations, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on system permissions and you come to a next window, then you just click here on storage and you come to storage window here, you just go down, then you come here to status, you would click and it's going to show for you window like this, then you click here on this mark and like you see this color show for us, that's means status turn on now for storage. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.